So you want to walk a mile in this, you said?
Yeah, why not? There's my hat. Oh, here you come!
She won't walk. I tried putting her down and she's not happy. She's not having it.
So what's the verdict on Point Reyes Seashore?
Scenic is epic. Views are incredible. The water is intense. The wind, a bit much.
Next time bring a jacket?
What?
Next time bring a jacket?
Oh, I brought a jacket.
I think they're ready to go back to the car.
Yeah, let's go.